recently received this coffee and tea set, and first and foremost, take a look at the beautiful packaging that it came in. It is so nicely packaged. This is perfect for any gift or anniversary, Valentine's, birthday gift. I would definitely recommend. It does come with a little coaster, a napkin, and a beautiful detailed spoon. I will be taking it out just to show you, but I wanted to just quickly, briefly show you what they look like. So these are the two coasters, napkins, and spoons, two individual ones. Then next, I'm going to show you the beautiful packaging on the inside. Take a look at the beautiful design, the glassware, such nice detail. So if you're into great looking glassware that pays a lot of attention to detail, then I would highly recommend. These are actually pretty heavy, really good quality products. So you can see they have the crafted designs, the flowers. This is the handle. So beautiful, so elegant. This is the bottom design. So this is the shorter mug. I'm going to go ahead and place it right here just to show you what that looks like. And this is the taller mug. Again, great design, beautiful flowers. Look at that nice handle. The colors are amazing. Everything looks really good quality. So this is, again, perfect for a gift, for any occasion. I'm actually very impressed. These are really nice quality products. Take a look. Pretty sturdy glass. I'm gonna put them down, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay out and show you the spoon, the coaster, and the napkin. Okay, so here are the napkins in each one. They do come with their own individual napkin. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it just to show you what that looks like. Little microfiber napkin, so adorable. It is in the color pink. And then the spoon, they both are similar. They're both actually identical. So this is what the spoon looks like. Little diamond up top, the great detail on the top, and then the little spoon. Then I'll show you the coaster. Nice little plastic silicone coaster, and then just place it on the bottom, keeping your cup in place. Again, I would definitely recommend really great quality products if you like serving your guests or for yourself. If you like nice, very elegant teacups, coffee mugs that are nice and glass, I would definitely recommend. Get it now, 10 out of 10.